Jesus, all of my trouble. I cannot bear these burdens alone. I wish one of me grandparents them could have buy me one washing machine. Because me whole INEZ, you know, tired fi wash. Tired. Whew. But me this only can promise them, you know.
Keisha,
Come in, Daddy.
I go down the road. I go page INEZ because INEZ a bite off more than what she can chew. INEZ.
Who that a call me? Eh? Because me not expect nobody to come and call me. Eh?
Me,
Hello?
George, call you.
Who that?
Me, George.
Oh. So, where you said you know, Mr. George?
You know one time and take a vacation from your INEZ. I'm no worry about freedom, you know. Because you're safer behind the walls, you know, INEZ. Because out in the street, darker than midnight, you know, INEZ. You understand? So INEZ, it look like say, you know, you want meet your maker, you know, INEZ. You understand? It look like a time come to meet your maker. So they are passing our people business. INEZ. You know how much time I say INEZ? You know how much time you say INEZ? Don't make a man take out a vacation pan you, you know, INEZ. Because in the street, grimy, you know, INEZ. You understand? I'm a one, you just ease yourself, you know, INEZ. You better just go on a church and mind your business, you know, INEZ, and leave people business alone, INEZ. Man, you have to pack up and leave here, so you know, INEZ. Years you live here, so you know, INEZ. No take nothing for your left here, so no, you know. You hear what me I tell you, INEZ? You understand? Alright. You hear oh I man I warn you, INEZ. INEZ, how much time I talk to you, INEZ? Alright.
You know, me too holy, you know, if you beat me stomach. Try go on and leave me alone, you hear? Because you don't know me have anybody affairs a people business. So me I beg you, tag along where you go, you hear? Because the
I
furthest
need to
me
think
go
of upscotch
a
or
church
dandy
and
this me a
market.
play. Yeah,
And
play
you
a
don't
full
see me
cricket
affairs
while.
nobody business. So anybody I bring Tory come give you, make them pay you out and tell you how we go. Alright. I mean, no one nothing contact me after me washing when me there. I lick and promise. Oh.
You might have to lift up from the washing.
You see, from 1959 me live here so. From 1959 me live here. And me and nobody never catch up in a no problem from me live here. From a young girl till now. And I can tell you something. If me ain't go to me church, I would have tell you something, you know, George.
As it seems, you know, listen, you know.
One man behind us of all of me 6 picking them for you know. Me I don't know. George, go on you here. Go on where you are go.
INEZ, yeah, this is program.
Because me wouldn't like to answer you and make pass and put me a back bench. So he better you go on. Alright? Because uno feel like say uno bad and all God. Hey! At 1959 me live here. And me no got nowhere else to go, cause me no got family. Nowhere to go move, go live with them. And me now go on the bus stop go live. Me a turn right here. Me not afraid of man, me afraid of God. We both are going to kill
Dog,
the
me
body
having
and
no
the pig.
INEZ.
Oh. So you can't only take a body. But hey, you can't go on. Because you no got nothing to live for. Look for me whole highness now. Eh? Eh? You want me in my whole days have to pack up and left me place and go away. Eh? Look for me good place. Eh? When me walk out, me and my husband.
You have to leave without
and my
me
husband
packing.
pass off and gone. Eh? And left me here. I mean, I mix up in nobody business. I don't know what if it take up and left and go away. But I tell you, me I go on this city for who know. Me say, me I go on this city for who know. Alright, this city. Because if God now come true for me, me don't know how me I go manage. Cause who else me I go call upon? And this city, cause you not run me from here. You not run me from here. And from 1959 me live here. And you not run me. Nobody not run me from here. Eh? You make me spread out with 2 pieces. Shall I go them pan line here? Because you not run me from here. That me I tell you now. Alright. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, if you want to see more of INEZ. Okay, thank you very much.